So it's been a while since I posted about the Pegaso Cube 650. It's mostly been about a couple of years. In that time, other stuff have come and gone, but we're nearly finished it now. So I've been through the whole engine, checked the valves, oil change, checked the water pump, coolant change, all the other stuff. Bled the brakes, replaced the master cylinder, and I'm waiting for a hose. The hose actually started acting like a one-way valve here and locked the rear brake on, unfortunately. So yeah, I'm pump that up a nudge. Yeah, so had to seal a exhaust pipe up on the front with a clamp. So luckily I had some clamps and clamped that up. What else have we done? Yeah, so the exhaust I've left like this. So I haven't done anything cosmetically to it really, only because I'm going to make sure it runs fine before I do anything like that. But I've just gone through it, checked everything. So the only thing I'm waiting for an MOT now is the rear brake hose and a pair of indicators for the rear, because they're looking a little bit worse for wear. The tyres, I checked the tyres the other day, even though there's loads of tread and there's no cracking. The bike's 24 years old and the tyres are 23 years old, so yeah, they're gonna need sorting out. But I'm just going to get it through the MOT first, and once it goes through the MOT and it runs, that's when she'll get new rubber on her. So if I pull this off here, because this is just sitting on here to protect it, and sit that over there on the Caponaudo and move my finger. So yeah, so new battery and everything else. The airbox, the carbs have been cleaned and cleaned and cleaned, set up the best I can get them. So all sorted in there. So I'm just going to show you how it starts up stone cold. So ignition on, stone cold. I think it's that much, about that much choke. Turn the fuel on. I'll turn it on to reserve, and let's go for a fire up. So there we go. I'll turn the choke down a little bit. So that's not bad. So electrically everything works, and mechanically everything works. And I don't think it sounds too bad actually. Sounds a sweet little thing actually. Gearbox works, the clutch isn't seized. It's just that brake hose, and the brake hose, the real weird one, has a metal bit that runs by the chain, and I can't seem to purchase it. So let me get far enough back. There you go. So she sounds quite sweet. I suppose noisy for a little 650, a modern 650 of today. No, not bad. The only thing I've got that's a little tad annoying is that on the rev counter. And I don't know if it's the cable, I don't know if it's the cable or in here or from the engine. I've played around with the cable, but to no avail. So I'm not worrying about that at the moment, and I can test that later. But I just thought I'd let you know she lives and she runs, and everything works as it should. And I'm just waiting for that rear brake, and then she will be going for an MOT. So there you have it, a little baby Pegaso. And all quiet once again, and turn the fuel off. So hopefully in the next one she'll be on the road, and I can report what it's actually like to ride this little baby. Thanks for watching. Just a quick update.